Okay, here we go. We've got both sides of the display done. Now we're going to set that aside. So you already got the speaker installed in the case. Smeared some Ucky Pucky on there. Now these are already soldered in, but what I normally do is insert my FETs in just about the shoulder, and I bend the pins a hair and let them hang loose, and do the same here. And you take this and you slide it right on these little earpieces, and that should pop right in there. If it's not popping in there easy, then you're going to have to take this case and spread those sides. I've had to do that a few times, but that's how simple it should pop in there. And of course you screw in your heatsink screws. Sometimes they push your transistors back, and you got to reach in there and push them back toward the back side. Now when you first put that board in here with your chips not soldered, you center that up with your tabs, of course. Get that good and centered. Then you tighten your screws. Then you solder your pins. Cut the excess, clean it real good. Now for assembling the rest of the case, you take your long screw with a lock washer on it. It goes up through. And then you take one of the small brass spacers. Screw that down on there. And I come behind a little bit. Tighten that up on there. Okay, we're going to do that 4 times. I'll be back.